Good morning, Australia. This is Chris. I've been a tiler for 35 years and I'd like to show you the beginnings of another bathroom. I'll just turn the camera around. Right, what we've got here is yesterday I did the waterproofing. So we've waterproofed everything, floor, walls, the whole caboodle. Everything. So now the second day I'm doing the shower and the whole bathroom floor. This is a floor that's got no step up, it's all going to be flush. The way I screed them is the way I've shown you before, but it takes a little while to learn. I haven't glued these down yet. I'll be cutting these ones shortly, but I want to show you the beginning, how we've got there. So this is all level. That aluminium is stuck to the floor. It's not level, so you get your mud. Your tiles are always level. See the fall there? It's going to the waste. It's level there, but it's falling there. And then it's level again there. So that is the way you always screed a shower floor, and you never have any problems with large format tiles. Now I've mitered all these, so I get a nice joint like that. So it just looks like there's no aluminium there, you don't see that. The glass screen will be coming out to here, roughly, and you walk into your shower there and turn on the taps. So, here we go. Right, go the direction, your lines in the glue, go the direction of your shower, like so. I need some clips.